Good morning, you guys. How you all doing this morning? Because I am doing amazing this morning. Bit of a different mood, but hey, it's always good to feel amazing in the morning. But anyway, so today's video, I'm going to give you a few ideas that I thought of for the past few days that I'm thinking it could be really good for expanding the project. So, I have been studying 3D printing. Yes, 3D printing. The reason why I'm really excited about this is because I could use 3D printing to print off wee mini car parts for the model cars, like wing mirrors, for an example. Remember, I was explaining to you in this video right here about the wing mirror for the Bugatti Chiron and the McLaren P1, which is actually in the garage there. Now this car, I decided that I'm not gonna work in this car because it was a good start, but when I started this car, I never took it apart. Taking the cars apart makes it more easier. So this one was a bit of a fail, so I'm gonna have to buy another McLaren P1 model and restart that design all over. But the plan is I could print off like 3D printed wing mirrors, spoilers, like car parts, like I was saying, like maybe fenders, like body parts and stuff, so that it will expand. Wheels, I can print off wheels, custom wheels. So that would expand even more in the model car part of my purpose. And yeah, so I remember I thought of an idea for the P1. I want to put the McLaren Senna GTR wing on this car, but I'm thinking it might not look good on the original size, so I might extend the wing a wee bit beyond the width of this car, so because if you look at the pictures of the wing, there's like wee how would I describe, like blades coming down off the side of the wing. There'll be pictures popping up of what part I'm talking about. I'm not very good at describing parts of the cars at the moment, but like printing off stuff like this is supposed to be a counter for the model house in the kitchen. I could print off plastic printed counters, and they would look a lot more better than this. To be honest, this is just a prototype, as you may call it. And I could print off furniture, like desks, wee tiny models, toolboxes for the garage and stuff. So that actually, yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that because that would really help expanding. I keep repeating myself here, but I love this, guys. I love expressing myself. I know I keep saying that, but I really do, which is why I keep saying that. Um, but yeah, we are. I am so blown away. Another thing I want to say here with the channel, I'm so blown away with the results so far. I have had so many impressions with the channel. 361 views in total. And that's just over 5 days. I am so blown away by them results. Even though I have got 3 subs, and I appreciate the people who have subscribed there. Like, this has been a dream of mine. I'm actually here posting videos. This is so. This is. Is this really happening? I have no, like, have I even woke up yet? Wow. But thank you everyone for just taking the time to watch my videos, and even though they've not got that many views, most of them, but thank you. It really means a lot to me. And I can't wait to see where I can take this channel, grow it, and for the rest of my life, I cannot wait to see how far we can take this journey. But guys, that's what I wanted to talk about in today's video, and if you did enjoy, hit the subscribe button, because it would really help. I'll see you in the next one.